Ready to supercharge your Stripe subscriptions and skyrocket conversions? Let's jump straight into adding a free trial to your Stripe product. Step by step. First, log into your Stripe dashboard and navigate to the Products section. You'll usually find this on the left-hand side menu. Now, select the specific product you want to offer a free trial for. Click on the product name to open its details. Scroll down to the pricing section. If you already have a price set up, you can edit it. If not, click at another price. In the pricing details, look for the free trial days field. This is where the magic happens. Enter the number of days you want to offer as a free trial. For example, let's enter 7 for a 7-day free trial. Double check everything to ensure accuracy, then click the Save Price button. Congratulations, your product now offers a free trial. New subscribers will enjoy risk-free access, giving them the perfect opportunity to experience its value before subscribing. This little tweak can significantly boost your conversion rates.